The latest generation of our 8-speed automatic transmission is a decisive point in the transition towards pure electric mobility. The 8 HP integrates the full electrical unit into one system, which of course allows on the one hand to have electric mobility in daily use, but also combines this with a high level of comfort and performance. This 8 HP generation is probably the most important that we've ever produced. With the latest generation of our 8-speed automatic transmission, we are consistently focusing on electromobility. And this led us to a modular system for which we're very proud, because we were able to combine a conventional, a 48-volt mild hybrid with a plug-in hybrid, 400 volts, within one architecture, meaning that the vehicle manufacturers can flexibly change the powertrain without having to change the architecture within their vehicles. So also on the dimension front, we've kept everything simple, and we've managed to keep the overall installation length the same as it was in the past, and we've done this for all variants. Whether it be conventional, mild hybrid or plug-in hybrid, customers who have always trusted on the 8 HP technology can seamlessly integrate the new version within their vehicle platforms. I would almost say plug and play. So what is really new? On the one hand, with packaging, we've managed to improve the installation situation in that we've highly integrated the electrical unit, which consists of the power electronics, which is a novelty, and the electric motor within the transmission. Overall, we've also managed to reduce the weight. In our plug-in hybrid variants, we've also managed to upgrade the power by 80%. And on a torque point, we've managed to increase the overall torque to 450 Newton meters, and this solely driving electrically. And I'd like to say electrical driving with our 8 HP is fun. The latest 8-speed automatic transmission is the best hybrid transmission. It's smaller, it's lighter, and it has increased power. It combines comfort, it combines power, and this is typically ZF. And how was this possible? Through the efforts and the teamwork that we had within ZF. We were one team, one ZF, and this led to this amazing product that we're bringing into the market. So what does the 8 HP bring on the way towards full electric mobility, on our way to our vision to zero emissions? And how does it, for me as a driver, what does it bring me? Starting with our 48-volt mild hybrid system, this already has a very positive impact when it comes to reducing emissions. The highly integrated e-motor is the most efficient 48-volt mild hybrid that is currently available. And incidentally, with our 8-speed automatic transmission in the mild hybrid, we also received the award from the European Union for the eco-innovation. The variant is a 400-volt plug-in hybrid, tops it all. Depending, of course, on the battery dimensioning of our customers, i.e. the vehicle manufacturers, we can easily achieve an autonomy of 120 kilometers or more in solely electrical driving. And studies have shown that roughly 80 kilometers are sufficient for a lot of families on a daily basis. And this, of course, can be done with the plug-in hybrid system, so that roughly 90% of households can drive purely electrically using our plug-in hybrid system. So very important for the acceptance is the question of comfort. Electrical driving has to be comfortable. And when I leave, I want to know I can just hop into my car, I can drive what I need to drive, and I don't need to think, oh, can I put the heating on? Can I put the air conditioning on? No, with these highly efficient system that we have in our plug-in hybrids, we can easily, combined with the battery packs that are usual today in vehicles, achieve the 120 kilometers, and therewith fulfilling everyday needs that we need on fully, solely electric mobility. And of course, we don't need to forget about fun, because with our system, driving is still fun. In the rare cases where a long journey is ahead of us, then obviously we have the advantage of having the conventional system, which kicks in and brings you to your goal in comfort. With our 8-speed automatic transmission in the plug-in hybrid variant, electromobility becomes accessible to everyone. If you have a charging point at home and even maybe one at work, that's it. That's enough. It's accessible to everyone, and electromobility is here. With the latest generation of our 8-speed automatic transmission, we come one step closer to our goal of zero-emission driving. Even for people who want or can afford one vehicle and still want to drive long distances, this is the technology that we need.